Hello, so today we have Mimi again, and I'm just going to show you how to take this eyeshadow from day to night. I'm going to use the Mad Eye Duo stick from Guerlain. This is in Vert 03, which is basically a really nice dark green. And I'm just applying it to the lid and then blending it up to the socket with my 224 brush. Now this product is quick drying, so it's a cream, but it does dry, and so it's very good that it stays in place, but you have to blend it quite quickly. And I think if you struggle with eye makeup and it tends to kind of move a lot, this is a great product for your eyes. And I'm just showing you how to do a really nice smoky eye. Obviously I'm taking it quite intense, but this is for a shoot, but I think if you wanted to use this on a normal day-to-day, you could just apply a little less and not to such a bigger area, so just reduce it. So just finishing off blending in all those little edges, creating a nice shape. You find that this brush does kind of do a lot for you anyway. And then obviously the same to the other eye. As you can see, I'm going over last week's makeup really, or should I say building on top of. So go through the steps of last week and have it in a place where you can do this too, because I think you need the eyeliner and everything in place for this to work. And obviously a brown is a very easy eyeliner to go over. So it's always good just to look in the mirror and check that both eyes are symmetrical. So as you can see, it's a really nice smoky eye effect. So where there is a space between the eye makeup and the brow, which is obviously the brow bone, I'm just going to highlight there. So I'm just using a bit of concealer in a lighter shade and just making that quite pronounced as a highlight. It's just nice to have that definition between the eyebrow and the makeup. And a highlighter on the brow bone will help lift your eyes. Now, although I've put this creamy concealer on as a highlighter, I'm going to go over that with a highlighter stick. I'm just getting rid of any little edges and tidying up any little imperfections. Just making the makeup perfect. So I'm about to apply the highlighter stick. This is Guerlain and it's the nude highlighter. And it's similar to the Pat McGrath one that I use a lot, but so many different brands have their own similar products. So this one's really nice, and I'm just going to put some on the brow bone and on the inner eye corners just to open up the eyes. Sometimes these big makeups can make the eyes look smaller, so using a highlighter in places does help to make the eyes look bigger. I'm going in with my I always call it Touche Clay, but it's actually a Guerlain one, and it's light. It's a rejuvenating illuminator pen, but it's just really nice. It's like it gets rid of any dark circles. So you can leave the makeup here like this as a finished look, or I'm going to finish it by just adding a little sweep of the green under the eyes and a bit of black coal in the waterline. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and comment. New videos are going to be uploaded onto my channel every Saturday, so please subscribe.